So, hello people, welcome to the channel. I've been very stressed. I think that I keep repeating this in the videos, but yeah, very stressed, and my sleep wasn't good lately. So yeah, I have a bit of a problems focusing, and yeah, even speaking is difficult, which is not like news for me. Yeah, when I'm very stressed, speaking becomes more difficult. That's the way it is. Let me check that everything is working as intended. Okay, perfect. So yeah, in the previous videos I was already kind of slow. I had this like slow thinking, and I didn't have a lot of focus, and I'm probably the same now. Besides having problems speaking, it's just that I don't have like will. I don't want to talk in general, so I don't take it. I hope you don't get bored too much. I guess if someone is following this, they are interested in the project, so thanks for staying. So this is what we want to do. There's no description, and there is nothing to describe in the end. So this is case 6. Yeah, I'm just double checking that you cannot hear my fan because it's hot. I think it's fine for you guys. Okay. Case 6. I want to open either. Doesn't matter the script. Also, yeah, I have been working a lot on Saturn, and I had like a huge push. I was full of energy, and it's not normal for me to kind of lose interest over time and wanting to do other stuff. It's normal for me. I work around it all the times, and it's not a biggie. Good. So this is dev, I hope. Nope. If we go to also, fuck's sake, I had an operation yesterday. Okay, just check out and remove everything. I had a small operation on the nose. Not important stuff, but yeah, my breathing is very bad since when I have memory, so it also doesn't help sleep. And after the operation I cannot blow my nose, which is terrible. I hope you understand it. Right, so we are in development. I want to reset dev to here locally, and push. You may wonder why I'm not using the usual, feature branch, and I'm merging everything with the pull request into the dev. The thing is, if you use pull request and you merge into dev, then it's very easy, from my experience, to corrupt seeds and metadata and stuff. So I just rebase as if I was merging, let's say. So functionally it's the same. Forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, right. Okay, so I need to create a branch. And just so I already know we're gonna have problems. I don't know because I already tried it. The question is how long it's gonna take me to fix it. That's the main thing. What is this? Where can no, it doesn't look important. Okay. Oh, I got the kids. So this is the player ship. Let's work on this. This should be in the end. And what we want to do is to substitute this with my model. It's here. It was already exported by the artist that worked on it, so hopefully it's good. Just need to find the FBX. This is the FBX, yes. Okay. So you see that we have a problem here and here. But I also want to double check not this want to double check these materials. This albedo and normal map. But it doesn't have a metallic. Or does it? No, it doesn't. So this is a problem. Let's see if it's solid. And smokestack. Let's try this solar panel. No, the solar panel. No, that's not. No, that's not fine. Okay, so he didn't really didn't do a perfect job. So what do I do? So I have one option. First option is to bake the metallic part. of each element and doing it manually. Or another option, I think it's an option, I'm not a Blender expert. The other option will be to okay, open Blender, thanks. So this is not what I'm looking for. Oh, sorry. Ah, right. Right. Why does the base have more? The final version with textures is smaller. I don't know. So let's see. Clearly this has like a metallic feeling that you don't see here. It looks very flat besides the baggy flag here and the text here. Let's do one thing at a time. So one option I do have is to use the boolean to merge this. And therefore we'll have a single model. In that way, hopefully I can export all the textures, everything I need once, and not doing them one by one. But if I'm not mistaken, there is like a add-on. Should be called boolean something. Yeah, but there was a Blender add-on. I think it was called Boolean Tools, something like this. Yeah. No. Right. I'm gonna place this on the desktop. And then just a second, people. Okay, sorry, it's something to do. Import this. Right. And again, if so, let me check. Okay. If this root is empty, that's my hope. Yeah, it's empty. Okay. I think there was tool. I don't remember how to use it. Can you tell me how to use your shit? I don't remember, it was very easy. Active tool. Oh, here. Union. Yes. Very good. What is this? This thing. Is this intended? Is there so much light down here? I mean, I don't have a source of light except these guys, so. But that means let's remove the emission. It's here. I don't know. That's a bit fishy, right? But that's what I have. Yeah. I mean, that's a little bit emissive, not much. Just a little bit. The metal normal roughness. Okay. Good. So let's double check. What? Sorry. Okay, we have a problem here. So I think he was using, I don't know what technique he used to do this. Okay, so he clicked this and so here's an image called EC1 of C9 blah blah blah. That, oh shit, I don't have it. So what about here? Label alpha. I'm sorry for the kids. They are animals, so nothing I can do about it. I mean, I could close the window. Just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, I hope I don't cook here inside the room. So the problem, there are many issues with this and this. This guy was not exported. How can I save? I'm already in the image editor. Shit. Oh, wait, that's no, wait, that's yeah, that's why. Okay. So we need this, right? I don't know what this alpha this means. Of course, I can imagine it, but I don't know how this works in Blender and in Unity. For sure, I need to save it. Please let me know if you know why I have this bug. It's annoying as fuck. And also there's this. It's done in the same way. Sorry, not here. Label. Funnily enough, I don't have much experience with all these softwares. I'm like you guys. I'm clueless. I wouldn't call it clever, but emblem or flag, stuff like this. You know? Okay. And I hope that if I do like this, by the way, so I should say it every now and then. I don't want to touch the original file. It would be a disaster. I mean, I have Git, so who cares? But you know what I mean. Okay, yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Okay. So I guess we go back to the drawing board. Maybe it's much easier to stay ignorant and do things one by one. So give me a second, my brain. What do I need to do? Yeah, remove test. Okay. It's not gonna be fun, but hey, working on a video game is not always fun. What happened? Hello? Okay. So let's start. as edit mode. So I want to see if there is a UV unwrap somewhere. You can see that in object mode. Yep. So for this test, I want to export everything. So albedo, because I want to see if it actually looks different between this and this. It shouldn't, but I have heard that Unity is a bit buggy. Right. I don't need this, I just need to select something. I don't know what I'm watching, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, anyway. Cycles. Like, first of all, I want to do diffuse. And let's see. Something changed. Sorry. This is the diffuse. There's not much there. Where are the colors? I didn't ask the normals. Are you stupid or what? Oh yeah, I need to do that thing. Geometry. Shader. I don't know why I need to do this. It's a bit stupid, but okay. I would use Substance Painter, but I just watched a video and I don't know how to use it, so we call it is cylinder is we do, of course. Okay. Alpha, yeah. Yeah, kinda. I don't know what the fuck this is. Honestly. Like, where's the... He's doing all this shit. Yeah, maybe I'm doing something wrong. We should test. What about this? Hello, can you tell me where the material is? So let's take the metallic. Fuck. Let's see what happens if I do this below. What is this? Can I edit this? Oh, I can. Why? Yeah. Ah, okay. Now, let's stop this. No, not bad. It's clearly working, so I'm very happy. Like the others, I will keep it to 1.5. I mean, what's the value? I know the engine is different, but uh, I mean, the value is the value. There's nothing to say about it. But I can change it, so it's just that it looks like a mirror right now, so no big deal. I'd rather do material. You know, cut, delete this, do materials. I need to work with timer, so I also need to shower and do other stuff. Here it's all good, yes. So something else is also missing. It's a smoothness. And the thing is, this, roughness. So roughness is not used. Oh. So roughness is the inversion of smoothness. When I say inversion, I mean on a color level. So we'll just invert color and say done. And then hopefully it works. Why is it okay? Why is it like, is it only me or okay, now it's moving as intended. I don't know what was happening there. Wait, metallic. Metallic is smoothness, what? Sorry, I'm too bored. Because like metallic and smoothness. Okay, so this should be smoothness, not metallic. I mean, kind of makes more sense. Looks more similar to what I've got here. How does Eve handle this, by the way? Okay, better not ask. I don't know what's happening here. Why does it look like this? Anyway, okay. Occlusion, color. Oh, emission. Yeah. And so, my assumption is that I can use so how can I do this quickly? I need to get all the materials. Is it the same material for everyone? Well, that makes sense. I'm sure it doesn't look like there is no like ray tracing here. Reality in Cycles has ray tracing as far as I know. Okay, I think it's faster than this little. By the way, wrong channel. Should be this. So don't pollute my other account.
So, you want to trace some rays? Well, in this video we're going to set up real-time ray tracing in Unity so you can get beautiful global illumination, reflections and shadows. Let's get right to it. First things first, I'm going to start a new HDRP project and import some assets from the Unity Asset Store. Window, you want to option. Add users set up and add rise the shadows will bounce light throughout your scenes. This is of course a very straightforward tutorial, not going deep into the settings of each option and how they will. Now you can mess around with the settings, but I recommend leaving it performance modes for games, for obviously performance reasons.
It's called Screen Space Global Illumination. Okay,
Plus
let's
DXR,
watch it.
and click the Fix All button in the Asset Store. Now I'm going to go to Window, Render Pipeline and select the HD Render Pipeline Wizard. Then we want to click on HDRP plus DXR and click the Fix All button. We'll need to restart the editor now. We're going to need to make a new HDRP asset and make sure Screen Space GI and reflections are ticked as well as the real-time ray tracing option.
Need to change the render. I'm wondering if this is going to work my project.
And click the Fix All button. Render Pipeline Wizard.
I mean, we have nothing to lose, I guess. Render pipeline. There is no render pipeline. Maybe the units 6.
Welcome to this presentation
26
about ray tracing. Search for
minutes.
download Unity on your favorite search engine. To look at my quality settings, I've already created low, medium and high, but these don't actually use ray tracing. By the way, you can see that each quality level has an HDRP asset assigned to it. It's a file on disk that stores all the HDRP settings per quality level. For this ray tracing presentation, I'll actually create a brand new quality level dedicated to ray tracing. I need to assign an HDRP asset to it, and for that, I'll simply clone an existing one and rename it accordingly. Then, I just assign it to the quality level I just created previously. With this new HDRP asset selected, you can see that if I try to enable the ray tracing features in my project, a warning is displayed. We actually have a one-click solution to fix this. It's called the HDRP wizard. Once it's opened, head to the tab named HDRP plus DXR. Once
Yeah, but I don't have it,
then,
so
for this ray
so what?
that will actually use ray tracing. I'll open the project settings in the edit menu to look at my
Wait a second. No, I'm going completely off track. I don't want to think about ray tracing right now. I need to work on the game. Yeah, that's ADHD, man. Unlucky. So, we have albedo, we have metallic. It looks fine. Normals. I mean, the normals. I mean, I have to say that they kind of look shit in Unity. Why can't I go closer? Hello? It's not Blender. Why can I not do this? Okay. So I want to get closer. Because, like, for example, these are very important, these. So I will try to, yeah, see what works best. We can see that there's some stuff here. When you get closer, it looks like shit. I'm not sure why. Yeah, 1.5. I mean, 2 looks better, I think. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it's a lot better. Right. Okay. Given that it still looks like shit. But I guess it's a bit unfair to compare it to cycles. I think I should compare it to Eve, as far as I know. And I mean, look, this looks good. It is like, do I have them here? I cannot see them at all. Are they even there? Oh yeah, I can barely see them. What? Excuse me, did they get exported or? In the fact that I can't see, I can see it clearly here, but I cannot see it here. It makes me think that something is not good on this albedo. You know, like scratches. Does it have something to do with compression? I mean, I can see them a little bit better, but it's still shit. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, 4K. Yeah. So I should do the same for all of them? Or... Oh my god, it looks so much better. It's like night and day. Look. Before. After. Yeah, now we are talking, man. Finally. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I guess this is still anisotropic filter. I guess 16x. I mean, it looks good. I cannot complain. This looks shit. Honestly. I'm still not convinced about this metallic ink. And texture from metallic. metallic and roughness and I don't even know how to learn. We need to do this. You know what I can look for? This is a good video.
Hello everyone. So you've just made your beautiful 3D model. You created and baked or just downloaded some texture maps like diffuse, metallic, normal map and a roughness map. It all looks nice in Blender, in Cycles Render, but when you want to use it in Unity in your game, the material looks just very simple. Let me show you what I found works the best for me. We export the selected Blender object as FBX type. We of course mark the option to export on.
Oh, sorry. Toilet. Okay, guys, I'm back. I realize that I'm completely exhausted. You have no idea. I really feel the need to have a shower and sleep. So, bear with me. Let's watch this very quickly to see how difficult the process is. And let's call it a day.
Selected objects to avoid exporting things like cameras or some other unwanted things. Selected objects to avoid exporting things like cameras or some other unwanted things into our FBX file. Now I exported once more with the second material for the difference comparison. Now we open up Unity, and as you can see, I already moved here all 4 of my texture maps. So I just passed here both versions of my exported model, and now let's analyze them. Right now, it's only using a standard Unity shader that by default only uses diffuse map or albedo texture. But we have 4 of these maps. Now what we can do is to create a new material, make sure to have the material active, change the shader type to Autodesk Interactive, and then we can copy all 4 of our maps into the specific material slots.
Autodesk Interactive. This shit. What? Didn't know you could do that.
Then make sure to click on the asset in the lower panel and remap the material issued with model to your newly created one.
What?
Click on the asset in the lower panel and remap the material issued with model to your newly created one.
Right.
Apply, and voila, the model looks much better. Now to show you why you don't want to use the standard Unity material, I create another material and copy only those maps that we have the options to, which as you can see lacks the roughness
So he takes the...
which after remapping the material to a new one will result in a sword looking just wet and glossy. Sword material to a new one will result in a sword looking just wet and glossy.
Well, let's give it a quick test. Oops. Oh, excuse me. Now it looks good. I mean, except the flag. Right? Wow. I mean, sure, the flag, yeah, it's a different story. It just doesn't know how to handle it. My assumption it would be that is the albedo, but it's not here. It's interesting to say the least. Thanks, man. Thanks, Maros Sherjet. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, it made my day. And when it comes to this, so I created a Unity discussion. So tired. Who's the guy who commented on this flag? Cut out. Cut out. Let me test equals. Oh, it's completely broken. the other thing. Oh my god. I just avoided you to hear that sneezing. Okay, phone call. Okay, yeah. What can we do about this? This is a very complicated. This is not possible. Oh, fucking hell, man. Fucking hell. Now I don't know how to... I think I should ask the artist to give me, yeah, the flag and the thing fixed. Anyway, yeah, I call it a day, guys. I'm super tired. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share if you like the video. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Leave a comment if you have questions or you just want to interact. Bye bye.